Good morning to my second grade class. Happy Friday, you guys. It's the end of the week. You guys have worked hard all week long. All right, so let's start with good morning. Today is Friday, March 27th, 2020, 3/27/20. All right, so let's go through our work for the day. It's really important to meet in the mornings like this, you guys, because just like in school, when we start our day, we talk about what we're doing for the day, and then I take some time and kind of go through, just like with our journal prompt and our morning early bird work, we always kind of talk to you guys about what we're doing and what the next steps are. So the video in the mornings is a really good way to start your day, so I can help you kind of plan for the day and walk you through each of the work that you're going to be working on, and just kind of give you some tips and suggestions on what to be thinking about when you're doing your work for the day. All right, so please try to join me every morning and just make it a habit that you guys show up and watch the video so we can start our day together. All right, so you're working on this writing prompt, April and rain. And I know I had a student that sent me a message today that said that she wrote a poem about the rain. So that might be something that that friend can share with us when we do a special talent maybe next week. We'd love for you to read that poem to us. It was very cute. So that's one of your options, guys. You can look up words about rain, and this particular student looked up words in a thesaurus, and a thesaurus is different than the dictionary that we use all the time in our classroom, because we're always looking up stuff in our green dictionaries. But a thesaurus, you can get online, and it gives you words that mean the same thing as the word you're looking up. So for example, this particular student looked up the word rain and got lots of different really nice words that mean the same thing as rain, like liquid sunshine. That was one of the really good ones. And you can just have fun with these different things that we're doing with the morning work, and especially with your journal. So kind of, take it a step further and just add your own special touches to it. Okay, that's what makes things interesting and exciting. So moving on to our early bird. You guys have 2 pages normally. Oh, look at that. I see money. I see money. So you're going to be doing these 2 pages. And then you also have a page about vampire bats. So this is kind of a reading comprehension, and you guys are going to read the information, and just like we've been doing with the reading comprehension every day, you're going to be reading the questions, and you're going to be looking for the evidence in the text. Okay, so you're going to be going back up and finding that information. Feel free. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions to answer for this. Go ahead and get yourself your markers or your crayons or anything and highlight, just like you do with our reading comprehension, in different colors for each question and the answer that you're looking for. So read the question and then go back up in the text and underline your evidence. That's going to make it easier for you guys to answer these questions, okay? All right, missing numbers to 10. Moving along with our solve it strips. You're cutting it out and you're solving in order. What did you guys think about? Let's see, I did my solve it strips today. You guys had time again. How did that go? You guys getting the time a little better? Looking at your minute hand and your hour hand and reading that carefully? Sometimes it's a little tricky. You just have to make sure you're looking at the right hand for your hour, and then get your minutes. All right? And then if it's in between two numbers, you always know that it's going to be the next number. All right. Let's see. You guys had a lot of word problems to work out yesterday, but that was a neat way to chart out your ideas with the charts that you were that they were using for examples. So make sure you're using your pictures, and drawing charts is just another way to gather your information and to draw a picture to help you get your answer. Okay. So for the homework, you're going to be doing this homework sheet today. So front and back. Front and back. This is your homework sheet. So you're you're talking about reading a chart again, and then you're answering word problems on the back. So you're going to need to create your own charts to answer these questions. All right? So make sure you're drawing out your pictures and working through. You're underlining what you know, and you're circling the question that they're asking you to solve. All right? We've had a lot of practice with word problems, so you guys should be good. All right, and then for reading comprehension, you're reading Rocky and Nutty. This is kind of a cute little story, and it's about two squirrels and an adventure. So again, you're going back up and you're highlighting your text, and you're finding your evidence, and you're doing your true and false. Okay. Got a little bit more comprehension work today because of that third page in the early bird, but it's good. It's good practice. Then for your word work, depending on what spelling packet you're in, you're going to pick one or the other. You're not doing both of these. This is another reason why it's really important to watch these videos, because if you weren't watching the videos, you would think that you would have to do both of these, but you don't. You get to pick this one or this one. Silly sentences or quick questions. So this is another reason why it's really important that you guys watch the video every morning so I can guide you through what you're going to be doing each day. All right? So one or the other. And then you are going to be doing your spelling test. Okay? All right, you guys. Have a very good Friday. I will see you a little bit later today with our surprise visitor. And some of you know who that is because you tuned in to the Zoom meeting yesterday. And then everyone else, we'd like for you to join us because we have a special visitor later on today that I think you guys are going to be really excited about. Make sure that when Miss Marandino is calling you guys, when it's your day for phone calls, make sure that if you have questions in your work, she has everything in front of her. She has the same packet that you have, and she is there to answer questions, guys. And she's calling to see if you need help with anything, okay? So take advantage of that time with Miss Marandino and let her help you work through any work questions that you might have. That's why she's calling you guys 2 times a week. She's calling you guys to help you with your work, okay? She's there on the phone, and she's happy to sit and help you do anything you need. All right, so make sure that you're asking if you need help for Miss Marandino to help you on those 2 times that she's calling you guys, okay? And today is Friday, so I really need moms and dads and family members. We need all of the week 1 work scanned, and I need everything by today for week 1. Because there's so many emails coming in with scanned work, it's taking me a long time to go through everything, and I need to record, grades in the grade book because progress notes are coming up. And then go ahead, if you've already sent me week 1, go ahead and start working on sending me week 2, okay? Because I need to get that in. I want to get us caught up to where we're sending that week's work by that Friday, okay? Or that weekend, that Saturday or Sunday. That way we're kind of kind of on the same page every week, and the work that you guys are working on, you guys are sending, so I can record the grades. I think that's it. And if there's any questions, just let me know. And I will see you guys later. Happy Friday. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.